Hi, welcome to my channel K.S.R English. Now I am going to tell a new vocabulary that is benign and malignant. Before moving on, please like and share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Benign. Benign means kindly, kind, friendly, harmless, not a danger. Okay. For example, it is a benign tumor. That means not a danger. Okay. And he is a benign person. She is a benign leader. He is a benign person in thoughts. Next, malignant. Malignant means danger, harmful, panic, or evil nature. Okay. For example, he is a malignant person. One more example, her mind is full of malignant thoughts. And one more example, malignant tumor is made of cancer cells. Okay. One more example is this tumor is malignant or benign. Okay. Here we have to know one thing. Benign is totally different from malignant. Benign means very harmless. Malignant means harmful. Okay, that is different. Okay, here there are two kinds of tumors. Okay, one is benign, that means not a danger. And one more is malignant, that is very danger. It causes to death. Okay, that is the quite difference. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please express your feelings by commenting. Thank you so much.